Hey guys, is lawn aeration worth it? We get asked this often from our viewers. Let's find out. This spot is under a tree and the tree really binds up the soil. This creates a lot of runoff as you can see, but if you look closely you'll notice the spike aeration holes. Notice how the water goes down the holes over and over again like a drain. This is where your water and fertilizer gets to the roots where it needs to go. It doesn't matter if it's a core or spike aeration. However, core is always better. There will be places like this under a tree where you'll have to use spike first to get the soil loosened, and then one day you can do core aeration. Aeration is 100% worth your time and money, as you can see in this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and follow along for more, and let's do this together. Thanks. Bye.